viewers, welcome to your channel. Low sugar strawberry juice for diabetes. Are you suffering with diabetes for a long time? You might use many medicines and treatments to get rid of diabetes. Before going to natural treatment, we have to know what exactly diabetes means. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a metabolic disorder that is characterized by high blood glucose, and it is either insufficient or ineffective insulin. 5.9% of the population in United States has diabetes, and diabetes is the 7th leading cause of death in our country. Diabetes is a chronic disease without a cure. However, if we follow proper management and treatment, diabetes can live their normal and healthy lives. Insulin is a hormone secreted by specialized cells in the pancreas, which is responsible for increasing blood glucose concentration. The primary role of insulin is to control the transport of glucose from the bloodstream into the cells. After consuming a meal, insulin enhances the uptake of the energy nutrients like amino acids, glucose and fatty acids. Insulin helps us to maintain blood glucose within normal limits and stimulates protein synthesis, glucose synthesis in the liver and muscle, and fat synthesis. Symptoms: disproportionate thirst, frequent urinate, unusual weight loss, blurred vision. If you want to cure diabetes by simple and natural ways, then watch this full video. Strawberry for diabetes. Strawberries are lower in calories and have 3 times more vitamin C than the other berries. 1 cup of strawberries has almost as much as vitamin C as 1 cup of orange juice. They also contain folic acid. In addition, strawberries are rich in potassium and are packed with antioxidants such as anthocyanins and quercetin. For this, we need ingredients: soya milk, 1 cup of spinach, strawberries, yogurt, oats, chia seeds. Soya milk. Soya milk is high in protein content. It reduces diabetes and keeps glucose levels in control. Soya milk helps you nourish the body and keeps you healthy. Spinach. Spinach prevents diabetes and also helps to control high blood pressure. Spinach strengthens your immune system and fight against diseases. Spinach is low in calories and high in nutrients. These are rich sources of antioxidants. Strawberries. Berries are ideal for diabetic diet. They help to maintain blood sugar levels. Strawberries improve immunity and supports nervous system. Strawberries are known as one of the superfoods for their antioxidant and flavonoid that combat free radicals. Strawberries prevent heart diseases. They control blood pressure. Yogurt. Yogurt can reduce the risk of diabetes. It lowers blood pressure and keeps blood sugar levels in control. It improves insulin sensitivity and reduces inflammation. Oats. Oats are filled with the nutrients and minerals. Lowers cholesterol, it rich in soluble fiber. Oats boost energy levels, rich in antioxidants. Oats can balance pH levels in the body. Oats are full of fiber. Chia seeds. Chia seeds contain more healthy omega-3 fats and fiber than flax or other grain seeds. They are a good source of protein and antioxidants. Some researchers indicate that chia seeds can relieve stress and also help people with diabetes. Direction: soak chia seeds in a glass of water for 2 hours and keep it aside. Take oats in a bowl and put them into boiling water and boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Now take a blender and put boiled oats into the blender. Blend all the ingredients to make a juice. Take a glass and extract the juice into it. Now juice is ready to serve. This juice helps you to maintain your blood sugar level in control. By drinking this yummy low sugar strawberry juice, you can control your diabetes in a healthy way. I hope you found this video useful. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel. For more info, visit our channel. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe our YouTube channel to watch more videos.